Let me show you how to create that cool TUBELIGHT glow effect in Figma using angular gradients. It's actually pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. First off, create a new frame by pressing FF. Size doesn't really matter here. Pick whatever works for your project. Fill the background with a dark color, like a deep black, under the fill in the right-hand menu, to make that glow really stand out later. Now draw a rectangle or square by pressing R of half the size of the frame. Click the color underfill in the right-hand menu. Then, from the drop-down menu, change linear to angular. Okay, here's where the fun part starts. Rotate the gradient to make it horizontal manually, or by using the rotate and flip icon buttons. Add 5 more color stops along that gradient by clicking the plus. Make sure all 5 stops are at 0%, 5%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. Where the stop at 5% will be our main primary color. Use your main glow color, something bright and punchy like purple. The stop at 0% will be a little lighter than the main color. The rest should be the same dark background, the black color we used earlier. This contrast is key, making it look like only one section is brightly lit. Once you're happy with that basic light shape, duplicate it by selecting the square and pressing Ctrl-E or Command-E for Mac users. Now, drag it to the opposite side and flip the duplicate horizontally using Shift-UH. This gives you that nice symmetrical glow on both ends, just like a real TUBELIGHT would have. Now, group both squares by selecting both and using Ctrl-IG or Command-EG. To boost the realism a bit more, let's add some diffusion. Duplicate the whole frame and drag it a little. In the right-hand menu under Appearance, change opacity to 50%. Place that new frame right over the top of your original frame and group both. And that's basically it. You built yourself a neat TUBELIGHT glow effect using angular gradients, some clever layering, and just a little bit of blur magic right inside Figma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment liked, so I can personally thank you in the comments for supporting me. Thanks for watching, and take care.